Rome has a very big territory and we are suffering increasing impacts of flooding, of heavy rains, and that are creating particular problem in some areas of the city near the rivers. And plus we have an increasing number of days where we had heat waves. And 9% of the population of Rome is suffering even from a health point of view from this situation where we have social and economical environmental impacts. Plus we have even 20 kilometers of coastal areas and that are suffering the impacts of an increasing temperatures of the sea, and so all the impacts that we have on cyclones, on heavy rains and on the erosion of the coastal area. Rome approved in January the Climate Adaptation Strategy. We work with the scientific world for 1 year, national level, to understand what was happening, what will happen in the future. And then we started a stakeholder engagement process that helped us in focusing and understanding which areas, which situations, which actors are suffering more, and trying even to share this vision and to identify the priorities. We need to, let's say, close a gap in terms of technical experience, technical knowledge to reduce the impacts of temperatures inside some neighborhoods. So we had the possibility to have resources from this European program. It's called Technical Support Instrument, and now we will work in 2 areas of Rome where we will have the opportunity to understand what is needed to reduce temperatures that people feel in those public areas. We want to focus on this and even on the change that the city needs even in the regulation for public works, for parks, for interventions in rivers, because we need to change the way that we did till now work on infrastructure and on public spaces, because the priority number 1 is to reduce temperatures that people feel inside these spaces. The most important thing that we experienced during the creating of the adaptation strategy is the fact that we have huge problems to deal with, but we need to identify the areas that suffer more. What I recommend is to identify the priorities on heat waves, on the impacts of flooding, even in water scarcity and management. We must understand where is the priority, where are the most problems, because we must start from there, because in the next years we will suffer more impacts in those situations. So start from there, start from the priority and find the resources to intervene, particularly in those areas.